Everybody, now we are going to see our chapter 7 from class 6, which is eating a worksheet. This is our part second video. Here we are going to read one important topics: to enter date and time in a cell. To enter date and time in a cell, we have to follow some steps. First we have to type the numbers. Again we have to right click, then select the format cell and select the desired type. That means, and then we can apply anyone. This activity I am going to do. Suppose here I am going to type 2821. Okay, then simply I am going to right click and then click on the format cell. Here has given, so I am going to select the format cell and then right click, and in the numbers we can see here date and time also has given here. So simply I am going to select the date and I am going to select these ones and then click on the OK, and you can see the changes. So like this you have to do your any activity. This activity you have to repeat, and if it possible then do this all activity at your homes with the help of your elders. As given, challenging the cell content. So before reading this, here we have to learn. Here are given characters and the numbers. Character, that means whatever we had written using the alphabet, and numbers, that means the numbers which is formed after using the digits. Type in Excel can be seen in both, in that means in cell as well as in a formula bar. So here I am going to type anything. So suppose in the Excel, here I am going to type 852. So you can see this number is appeared in the cell also and also in the formula bar. This is our formula bar and this is our name box. Okay, and here given, here we will find two button. This is enter button symbols and this is a cancel button. So whatever we had written, if these are correct, then instead of pressing the enter key we can click on here. But if our words or letters are incorrect, then we can click on the cancel button, that means these symbols. Okay, we can edit in formula bar also. Suppose they are written 852. So suppose this is, if this is correct, so I have to click on this option. You can see here is a enter button, also has given the enters. So simply I am going to click this one. So you can see number is separated. But suppose here I have written 785, this is incorrect, then you can see here has given the cancel button. So I am going to click here and you can see our selected data is erased. Okay, again 78, cancel, you can see. And another has given, we whatever he has written we can also edit in the formula bar. So suppose here has written 5, so I am editing here. So whatever I will change it in the formula bar, the all will be appears here. Next activity has given, to changing the cell content using edit mode or changing the cell content. We can change our cell content using two methods: first edit mode, or secondly replacing or over typing mode. Okay, so first is editing. So for editing we have to double click on the desired cell or desired data, then use the backspace key to delete anything and also fill the new data, or shortcut is F2 key. So simple. Suppose I want to edit this, so simply we have to click here, double click. So you can see after this our cursor is blinking here. So whatever we want to delete by using backspace key, we can delete one by one, and then instead of these numbers we can write new ones. Okay, like this. So this activity you have to try to do. Another is replacing or over type mode, that means type another numbers. So if we want to replace anyone, then first select and then use backspace key. There are two methods, and then type another. This is the first. Another is select and then type these ones. So this is known as the over type mode, that means previous data has written and after this or we had written the new data. So this is the over type. Again here has written this number, so I am going first selecting, I am selecting this and then I am going to type. So this one is known as over type mode. Okay, another has given undo and redo commands. So two activities we have to learn. One definition: after making modification in the cell, we may wish to cancel the changes and retype the previous data. That means if you want to find your previous data, then this is known as the undo button. For this shortcut key is Ctrl plus Z. Again, if you want to find your previous work, then we have to use the undo commands. For this we can use control plus z key combination, which we have to learn. And another has given redo command. So redo command is used to quickly repeat the last action. That means whatever we have done previous, we can see this is the known as the redo commands. And definition: redo command is used to quickly repeat the last actions that we have done using the undo commands. So shortcut is control plus y. The both activity I am going to show you. So suppose here I am going to write my name is Raj. Okay, you can see here written. And now if I want to undo commands, then simply we have to press Ctrl plus Z key, or you can see here given the undo and redo commands on the top, you can see, and also here shortcut key is given. So see the changes. If I am going to click on the there, then you can see all has changed. Okay, another suppose I am going to this has edited. This is the use of undo command and redo commands. So see here redo commands. So I am going to click here, so you can see the changes. Undo, that means it will delete the alls, that is previous work, and redo, it will bring the back. Okay, another here is given inserting column and row. We can insert column and row by using two methods. First method, we have to select the cell, then right click, and then select the insert options. Okay, which I am going to show you. You can see here one data I had written to explain the all work clearly. So if you want to apply any row and column, then simply we have to select any one cell, and then we have to right click, and then we have to click on the insert option. So you can see insert option as given here, and then here given shift cell to right. And if we want to shift this cell to right side, then we can use the right side, otherwise we can use this we can shift this cell to bottom. Another here is given shift entire row. So simply I am going to click on this, then you can see there is a one row. But again, if we want to again right click and insert, then you can see entire column, then I am going to click here, then you can see the changes. This is the first activity. And second method here is given select the cell, click on the home tab, and next select the insert option. So I am going to show you this activity also. So for this I am going to back. Okay, next we have to select. So selecting, then you can see at the corner here is given the insert options in the cell group. So I am going to click here, and you can see insert cell, insert sheet row, rows, sheet row, and insert column row. So suppose I am going to click on insert row, so then you can see the changes. Again I am going to click on the insert columns, then you can see the changes. But if you want to delete anyone, then also you can come here and you can see click on the format, and here is given delete the cell, another here even delete anyone. We can select and delete the sheet also, and delete the column. So I am going to click here, and you can see the changes. Another, if you want to delete anything, then right click, and from there we can select the delete option. Then you can see one option entire row or column. So anyone we have to select, and then we have to click on the OK, then you can see the changes.